also with me is Anupam, who is the president of Yuva Halla Bol. He's joining me from Bihar currently. Anupam, if I could start with you. Where do you see is the big problem? I mean, we are looking at least 2 crore job applicants and aspirants waiting for exams to be conducted to begin with.
Right, Smita ji. In fact, to be precise, 2.42 crore applicants applied for the posts of Group D and NTPC in February 2019. And almost 3 years are going to be passed. In fact, to be precise, more than over 1,000 days have passed. And the Group D examination dates have not yet been announced. Can you imagine? And for the NTPC examination, the students are still waiting for the Tier 1 exam results. So when we talk of employment in general, the performance of this government has been very poor. But when it comes to the Indian Railways, it's pathetic actually. So let us broadly analyze what has Indian Railways done to the unemployed, educated youth of our country. So there are 3 major recruitment examinations conducted by Indian Railways. One is the Group D for Group D level positions, the other the NTPC, and the third one, which some of our students were talking about, is the IRMS for Class A officers and engineers for various departments of the Indian Railways. Earlier, which was done through the civil services or through Indian Engineering Services, which was conducted by the UPSC. But in 2019, the government decided to form a new Indian Railway Management Service by merging 8 departments, and then the government has been sitting over it, not conducting any examination for the last 2 years, and the candidates are getting overaged through this period.
Absolutely. There are at least...
Smita ji.
Yes, please complete your thoughts.
Yes. So the major concern today, while the online protests were going on, was the Group D examination. So the story about Group D and NTPC begins from 2019 Lok Sabha elections. The then Railway Minister, Mr. Piyush Goyal, made an announcement that they will be giving 4 lakh jobs over the next 2 years through railways. And immediately after this announcement, in line with that announcement, Group D positions were notified and the NTPC examinations were also notified immediately. It was in February 2019. You can imagine about the date. There was this Lok Sabha election. The government immediately came into action and these exams were notified. Then 2.42 crore applicants who gave application fee of around 864 crores. This is the data we collated, and we saw that 864 crores of money have been collected from unemployed youth by the government, by the Indian Railways, and yet they have not been able to even conduct an examination in this 3-year period.
Right. Forget conducting the exam. There has also not been the date announcements. During COVID, we have seen